If you want to get started with the Pokétwo Discord bot, this video will walk you through the full setup step by step so you can add the bot to your server and begin playing right away. Pokétwo is a fun Pokemon catching game inside Discord, and once it's connected, you can start using commands to begin your adventure. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Pokétwo.net. Once the website loads, look for the Invite Pokétwo button and click it. This will begin the process of adding the bot to your Discord server. After that, Discord will ask you to choose which server you want to add the bot to. If you manage more than one server, make sure you select the correct one before moving on. Once you've chosen your server, click Continue. Discord will then show the permissions screen. This is where you need to give the bot the permissions it needs to work properly. Go ahead and allow all permissions, then click Authorize to finish the setup. Make sure you only do this if you trust the bot and you're adding it to the right server. After the bot has been authorized, head back into your Discord server. To begin using Pokétwo, type @Pokétwo start. This command gets the bot ready and starts the game experience for your server. If everything is working correctly, Pokétwo should respond and guide you forward. Next, you'll need to choose your starter Pokemon. To do that, use the command @Pokétwo pick followed by the Pokemon you want. For example, if you want a specific starter, you would type @Pokétwo pick, then the Pokemon name after it. This is how you officially begin your Pokétwo journey and lock in your starter choice. And that's it! You've now added Pokétwo to your Discord server, started the bot, and picked your first starter Pokemon. From here, you can continue learning the other Pokétwo commands and start collecting, battling, and enjoying the game with your community. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy Discord guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.